Hello everyone, friends, followers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kung hindi pa kayo nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Papyu Electrical Electronics. Thank you and God bless us. Okay, let's start the project circuit. 12 volts input, 5 volts output. Capacitor, 25 volts, 10 microfarad. Voltage regulator, L7805CB. Another capacitor, 25 volts, 10 microfarad. Okay, let's start to connect electronic components to the circuit. Let's try 12 volts input. Volts input. .99 volts, 5 volts.
Pag may natutunan po kayo, please huwag kalilimutan mag-subscribe, like, and share, and click the notification bell para ma-notified po kayo sa susunod kong video. Thank you and God bless us.